Yeah, I'm reading this. You did a mistake in here. Did a mistake. Oh, you mean I made a mistake? Yeah, that's what I said. You did a mistake. There's a mistake. You did one. Yeah, but you said I did a mistake. Can't say that. You can only say I made a mistake. You can't say did. Really? So I can't say I did a mistake. I have to say I made a mistake. Why? Because, just because, yeah, that's what we say. Yeah. 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 Here is another example of collocations. The verb do and mistake do not collocate together, so it does not sound right to a native speaker's ears. But the verb make and mistake do.